today?
I have been good, sir.
Okay, first let me introduce. My name is Dea Oktazisa Risky and my friend
Alya Mumaiyazah.
And before getting into today's topic,
Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube at the link below. Okay, Mathlovers.
Here we will share knowledge about
Trapezoid.
What kind of the trapezoid is that? Come on, instead of being curious, watch this video until it is finished. Let's check it out.
Expulsion trapezoid is a two-dimensional flat shape formed by four edges, two of which are parallel to each other but not the same length. And it should be noted that the trapezoidal structure is a type of rectangular flat work that has special characteristics. But I'm curious, who invented the trapezoid?
I'm glad you asked. Leonhard Euler, 15 April 1707 to 18 September 1783, was a Swiss mathematician and pioneering psychist. Besides discovering the trapezoid, he made important discoveries in fields as diverse as calculus and graph theory. He also introduced much of modern mathematical notation and terminology, particularly for mathematical analysis, such as the concept of mathematical functions. For an explanation of this trapezoid, we can also call it a two-dimensional flat shape formed by four sides, where the two sides are parallel to each other but not the same length. What are the different types of trapezoid?
Here are some from our type of trapezoid that Mathlovers might have an encountered either when spilling out question or being in several places. 1. Any trapezoid, an elevated trapezoid, is a trapezoid whose four sides and not the same length. The picture above is an arbitrary trapezoid with a pair of parallel sides. In addition, this genus is trapezoid has four angles that are not the same size and the two diagonals are not the same length. 2. Trapezoid's elbow. A right angle trapezoid is a trapezoid in which two of the four angles are right angle. From the picture above, we can see that a right angle trapezoid also has a pair of parallel sides, and the length of the diagonal of the diagonal trapezoid are not the same. 3. Trapezoid isosceles. This isosceles trapezoid has a pair of equal edge and a pair of parallel edge. An isosceles trapezoid has 1/4 symmetry. The figure above explains that an isosceles trapezoid has two sides that are the same like trapezoid legs, and it has two parts of equal angles and two equal diagonals. Does a trapezoid have properties?
Yes, some of the properties of the trapezoid consist of several properties, among others. 1. A trapezoid has four angles, and the sum of the up to adjacent angles, one side angle is 180 degrees. 2. A trapezoid has a pair of parallel sides. 3. For an isosceles trapezoid, The diagonals have the same length. The base angles are the same. And 4. Can occupy the frame in 2 ways. 5. For a right angles trapezium having 2 right angles. 6. For any trapezoid that has unical leg length, there are also no ledge. 7. Perpendicular to the parallel sides, and the size of the 4 angles is different. But I'm confused. What are the characteristics of the trapezoid?
I will tell you this. Above we have discussed the type of trapezoid and their properties. Then we will discuss the character of the trapezoid. 1. Has 2 pair of parallel sides, namely sets E and C, and there is a plane shape that has 2 pairs of parallel sides. It can be a square of a right angle. 2. The sum of all the angles is 360 degrees. 3. It has 1 of symmetries. 4. Has 1 rotational symmetries. 5. The area is the number of parallel sides divided by 2 and multiplied by the height.
For those who are still having trouble finding the area and perimeter of the trapezoid, here's how to do the task of how to find the area of a trapezoid and its perimeter. Circumference of trapezoid. Circumference equal length AB plus length BC plus length CD plus length DA. K equals A plus B plus C plus D. For information, K is perimeter of trapezoid, A point B point C point D, the length of each side of the trapezoid. Trapezoid area formula. Area of trapezoid ABCD equals area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Area of trapezoid ABCD equals 1 per 2 multiplied by B multiplied by T plus 1 per 2 multiplied by A multiplied by T. L equals 1 per 2 multiplied by H multiplied by B plus A. Can also be written L equals A plus B per 2. For information, L is area of the trapezoid, A point B, the length of the parallel sides of the trapezoid, T is the height of the trapezoid. That's the discussion of the material this time, which discusses the meaning of the trapezoid in general, types, properties, characteristics, area formula, and circumference. Hopefully, this is useful and help friends who want to increase their knowledge of mathematics. Math lovers, we move on to the end of the video this time. The conclusion is that a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has 2 parallel sides, has properties, and can be applied in everyday life. Examples include boats, baskets, floor pots, handbags, and wheel cart. Now, for those of you who have finished watching our education video, this time, let's conclude what your version of the trapezoid means. Don't forget to comment below. I hope this is useful. Dea Oktazisa Risky and
Alya Mumaiyazah.
Say goodbye and don't forget to study hard to become a successful people. Thank you so much. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.